How to buy POPCAT token. Before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before we go on and buy the token, don't forget to go to engage with their community. As you can see, they have 302 members on their community on X. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the explainer. This token created 1 day ago. As you can see, this token trending right now, number 3 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now, to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now, open your Bitget wallet for that. As you can see, go to your wallet, select the BNB chain as a network, click on this plus icon, and paste the token on this here, as you can see. Now, after that, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now, go back to your wallet, and now keep searching until you find your token that you just added called POPCAT. Now, after that, click on it. Click here on swap. Switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, but make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now after that, click here on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy POPCAT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.